Hello students, so last few days are left for CLAT exam, and in this video I am going to discuss what you should do for your logical reasoning section. So I will tell you three things that according to me what you should focus upon, the 3 R's in the last few days that you should focus upon. The first is revision. Now see, by this time you must be comfortable with all the concepts of logical reasoning, how to solve the assumption questions and how to solve the strengthening the argument questions. So I'm sure that you must be comfortable with the concepts and how to solve various type of questions. What you should do is you should revise all the mocks that you have taken so far. You should revise the sample paper of the CLAT. I'm hoping that you have taken the sample paper of the CLAT. You should revise the previous 3 years CLAT paper. Similarly for the AILET exam, you should solve the previous year AILET exam. So don't do anything new. Just revise all the things that you have been doing so far. Don't go for new fancy concepts and run here and there for new material. That's not going to solve the purpose now. Right now, what you need to do is consolidate all your learnings. Remember, you need to avoid your silly mistakes, and how you can avoid your silly mistakes is just to revise all the mistakes that you have committed so far. So every day, pick one mock or sample paper or previous year CLAT AILET paper and solve it, revise it. I'm hoping that you have solved it by this time. And if not, then just solve that and take it. That is the only thing that you can do. So revision in previous year mock paper, previous year CLAT actual exam paper, AILET actual exam paper, that is what you should do. The second thing that you need to focus upon is reading. Now, at any stage of this preparation of CLAT exam, one thing that you should always do daily is reading. So don't leave reading because because just exam is, let's say, 15 days from now. So every day focus on reading 6 to 7 good articles, maybe 1 hour, at least 1 hour of continuous reading, maybe editorial, maybe magazine, anything that you want, but just be in that groove of reading continuously for long duration. That is what you should do as my second suggestion. The third suggestion is relax. Now see, whatever skills you could have developed, I think 90% of that development already has taken place. In next 18 to 20 days, what you can do is, as I have been telling you, you can only hone those skills. So focus on honing those skills. Don't go for new things. Keep a relaxed state of mind. That is very, very important. Whatever comes in the exam, it will be same for everyone. Next few days, think about all the positive things that can happen if your CLAT exam goes well, and it will go well, right? So remember, all the effort that you have put in for such a long period, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, whatever period you have given for your CLAT preparation, all the effort that you have put in is to enjoy those 2 hours of the exam and not to become anxious in those 2 hours. So all your effort culminates on those 2 hours of the exam. Enjoy those 2 hours, and to enjoy those 2 hours, it is very important that you be in relaxed state of mind. It is just one exam. Take it just as an exam. It's not your final destination. Whatever happens, we will face it, right? So that is it from my side. So remember, revise all the mocks that you have taken. Sample paper of CLAT, previous year CLAT papers. That's all as far as the preparation part is concerned. Keep reading daily for 1 hour at least and stay relaxed. That is it from my side. Thank you very much.